right, the day's come. We're going to Big Sur. It's a midweek, so it should be a fun run. And there's 7 bikes going. I think there's 11 of us. So I think one person showing up right now. We got most of the bikes there now. So just waiting on Chow, and then we're going to be rolling. So come along, enjoy the ride. We have 3 ladies joining us. We've got Raina. You all know Raina. Esmeralda. And JJ. Chow Yan and Luna. I guess food's on Chow for the whole trip. Thanks for being on time, bro. Thanks for being on time. Hey, Miss Hollywood, how are you?
It's hella early.
Ciao.
Forever young, or am I faking? On the tip of my tongue, there's a sarcasm waiting for you. Bit of your charm. There's no way I'll fade into oblivion, 'cause I'll keep shining over you all. And if your wings entwining, you better face the fall, keep trying again. Oh yeah, keep trying again. There's mud on the floor, desperate people trying to get through the door, although the room's already crowded. But I'll keep shining over you all. And if your wings entwining, you better face the fall, keep trying again. Oh yeah, keep trying again. Trying again.
Just gone to Pacifica. Traffic was crazy coming into San Francisco. Lots of lane splitting. and it's kind of overcast here in Pacifica right now, but I think as we move down the coast, the fog is going to clear. But it's still pretty. It's still good to be out by the ocean. Bikes are running good. Everyone's enjoying themselves. That's the main thing. And yeah, we just keep on going.
Living on the far side of town, sharing a dream with anyone. She's made it through heaven, she's made it through hell. It's just another story to tell. Have you ever felt you're missing the dream? Have you ever wished your life was like the movie on the screen, filled with heartbreaks and fights through Hollywood nights, making up a bar queen on the phone in the great big boulevard, the place she belongs. It's just another story she tells. Have you ever felt you're missing the dream? Have you ever wished your
So we made it to Pigeon Point Lighthouse. We're not having any luck with the fog today. It's about noon. It hasn't lifted. I put the drone up to do the lighthouse, which I don't know if you can see it, but I put the drone up, and the visibility was just terrible. I wasn't getting any coastline. But could barely get the lighthouse, which was a shame because I was looking forward to doing this shot. But hey, there'll be other opportunities, and we'll continue making our way down Highway 1.
I was on a mission, I was on
So we made it to Bixby Bridge. The fog is crazy. Can't really see much. But we got one of our guys there, Haji, and looks like he's gonna jump. No, I don't think it's a good day for it. Anyway, I was going to put the drone up, but there really is just no point, so unfortunately. We're going to come back tomorrow. But it's still an iconic bridge, whichever way you look at it.
RG, we're leaving!
I love you.
I love you!
Don't worry, I love you. We love you.
You know he's coming. Scaring everybody over
Did you
here.
say he was going to take his bike? That's what he's coming back.
I look the other way. I don't see how it's got anything to do with me. Oh, hurry, I need my beat at any expense. It doesn't make sense, but every cell in my body eats its protein. Oh, grass is only for cows and rabbits that don't know how to kill and conquer, to win and rule. Oh, it's what we learn at school. We don't worry about seas. We recycle and sort by source. We've banned all plastic straws, quit smoking. Oh, every paycheck we get, 10% is donated to clean our conscience, and it works out great. Why should we change? Sleep less, be more efficient. Come on, perform better, climb higher, educate away. I am all my degrees, my masters. Hey, look at me, I am somebody. It's what I've learned at carbon dioxide. My conclusion is that it's all a lie. Our guns are mine, we're not smart, we will survive. We've got technology, it's not a lie, we will survive. The seas are thriving, we will get back, it's not a lie.